I feel like I'm like in a different state of mind right now. Oh, this is so bad. Ah!
We're here today with Chris McNugget, and right now I want you to leave it in the comments below. What is your favorite Chris McNugget memory, and what are your final words to him? Because this very well could be the last video that Chris McNugget is ever in on YouTube or Braille skateboarding history.
Trying to tell me something else?
Yeah, you're probably gonna.
Oh, I thought you were gonna fire me.
We are here today for the Paqui One Chip Challenge 2022. One from last year is 1.7 million Scoville. This one is 2 million. So this one's hotter. It makes your tongue blue. That is about all of the knowledge I have of this, except for the fact that it has Carolina Reaper and Scorpion Pepper in it.
I think the last one had those two. I would love to see Derek do it.
Do you have any questions? Do you have any concerns?
Yeah, I'm concerned. Well, I'm trying to get $100 now. I didn't know that was a thing.
Get your 100, brother. Get paid. Get paid.
But I don't even know what the challenges are though. I'm scared.
You should be.
I don't like that it's going to turn my tongue blue. Why and what is making it blue? And then second of all, this is hotter than the last one, and I only did 2, and it was pretty intense.
Are you shaking?
I am.
That's scary. I crushed the Paqui 2022 One Chip Challenge. All right, Chris McNugget, you must eat 10 Paqui chips. After you eat each chip, you must do 1 kickflip on an obstacle of increasing difficulty. Obstacle 1 is on flat ground, then the hip out of a manual, and then a nose manual. On a ledge, flat bar, mini ramp, 3-stair, 5-stair, 3-block.
Ah! Oh! What is that?
It looks like a space rock.
It looks like a Smurf pooped, and then they... Okay. Are we just gonna go?
Any last words?
I know I'm gonna keep saying this sucks, so those will probably be my last words in a little bit.
All right, let's get it. If you drink anything, you
10
lose the
chips
challenge.
and kickflip. Oh, okay, I am not making $100 today. Oh yeah, this really sucks.
Oh, I'm nervous. Why do I feel like I'm eating it?
Yeah, what does it taste like?
Oh, dude, your mouth. Oh my God.
Is that a thumbnail?
Oh, what is going on?
What's going on? All right, ready?
Kickflip on flat, number 1. There it is. I'm appointing you the referee of this challenge.
I don't think people understand how crazy this is. Look at it. His eyes were hard.
Oh, dude.
This sucks, dude.
Bro, as he was rolling, he was like, what, explain, what does it feel like?
I feel like I'm like part sun. I feel like a supernova in my mouth.
All right, chip number 2. Careful.
I'm crying. That one was stale.
That one was
A
stale?
little bit.
Gross.
What's the next one?
All right, obstacle number 2 is hip. Front side, back side, whatever you want. Oh, look at his eyes!
Is it? I'm so sad right now.
Is it worse than last year?
I don't even know. It just sucks, dude.
I've never seen you look like this before.
Oh, this is great.
Literally coming through. Oh, that's a big
Can you break it?
Oh. Oh.
That did not sound crunchy at all. This one's out of the scale.
Oh! Manual. Careful with your eyes, Chris. Ooh, he's struggling.
This is stupid.
Look at how much he's sweating already.
Is it a lot?
Look at your sweat.
Oh man.
All right, number 4. All right, this one is nose manual.
Hold on.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
It's just so dry. Like I need water.
No, sir. The blue is all over your lips, dude.
Ah! That was only 4?
Oh, the first fail.
Woo! That made it hotter when I missed.
Oh.
I'm gonna see how far I can go, dude. This is crazy.
Oh, the snot. The snot is coming out.
I feel like I'm like in a different state of mind right now.
Ref! Good, that's good. All right, Chris, we got a nice clean napkin for you to wipe your face off. Wow, look at your sweat. Wow!
Oh, this is so bad.
There's a lot of blue, brother.
All right, we got.
All right. Whoa!
This is crazy,
On to
yo.
number 5.
Oh, this is crazy.
You all right, man?
I'm crying, dude. I'm crying.
Oh my! Chris, I've
Ready?
never seen you look like
Oh. Grind kickflip.
Oh, you have a piece of chip on your lip.
This is crazy. I can't even react right now. So the thing is, like, I think being able to skate puts you in like a sort of flow state, so it distracts you from the heat. So as soon as you fall, your special meter goes down, you lose flow state, and then you remember, oh, this sucks. All right, it's starting to hurt now. Oh, dude, crying is so good. I feel emotionally released.
Hang in there, Chris.
I got like another one, I think.
No, because I got a hole in my glove and it went onto my real finger.
Well done, JD. Well done.
I think I need some milk.
You gonna have to call it?
Yeah, I'm literally like dehydrated.
Woo!
There's no water. Like I should have drank a lot of water before this. Yeah. I didn't think about that. Oh, this really sucks. Don't do this. I feel very weak right now. Dude, definitely eat food and then get some milk or some like heavy cream because there's like a compound that cuts the capsaicin, which is like the compound that creates the spicy like illusion. I'm leaking in all orifices. It's not good. Oh, dude, it's crazy. This is so bad, dude. So if I do this again, I need to drink a lot of water. I think after the 4th one, I think as soon as I fell, I'm like, dang, this is really bad. It's like there's a freaking sun in my mouth and it's penetrating all of my freaking pores like right now. It's crazy. Are you really gonna do it?
I need it spoken out loud. These people are independent adults, except for JD. I don't want the comments down there saying,
Gabe is making him do it and he's not going to eat the chip himself.
I am not. I told them they do not have to. They do not.
I did this of my own volition.
Exactly.
I wanted to do this because 10's a cool number. I was like,
you
let's try.
look horrible.
I feel amazing.
Okay, wait,
It's still.
I told you.
He's like,
No, wait.
I've never seen Oh my God, his face. It's just instantly devastated. Look at his eyes.
Alright, I can't let my boy go out alone.
Y'all cheers? Cheers. You may now eat the chip. And there it is. Yep. Yep.
Oh, that's a face I remember.
I tried telling him.
Oh!
Do it again. Yeah, you can handle it.
Oh, that's pain. Oh, he's feeling a little bit. Oh, it's gone.
Oh no.
Oh no. Mowgli, I thought we weren't gonna do this again.
There you go.
Oh, goodness. Pops. Oh, gee. Let it out.
Oh my gosh.
But like, we got an Uber Dairy home.
I got kiwi.
An apple.
Does that help?
Where's Derek going?
Is it locked?
Bless you.
Oh! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! How's it feel, Mo?
There's a sticker on this stuff, be careful.